How to fix WhatsApp calls problem easily and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp calls easily and fast. So the first way is you have to open the settings, open the apps manager, open the apps like this, go to the WhatsApp. Now on this page, all what you want to do is click on the data usage and make sure that all those options right here are enabled, from the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and the background data and also the roaming data. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, go back, click here in the top on this force stop, and then all what you want to do last thing is you have to go back to the settings, click on the wireless and networks, open the Wi-Fi, disable it, and then enable it again. And now all what you want to do is restart your phone, reopen WhatsApp, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.